Hello. Cheers. And a quick welcome. Oh, cheers. And a quick welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English dinner time. We're having our last Chinese meal before Christmas. So we thought we'd just invite you along, have a look at the food, enjoy. Can you smell the food? We should have smelly vision, but we haven't got smelly vision. What's that? That, my dear viewer, was pickled ginger on its own with nothing else. Thank you to dear Mrs. Uncle Geoff for making me choke. Now my nose is clear, my throat is clear, everything is wonderful. At the moment, we've got some of this, which is squid. Yeah, that's squid. We have mushrooms in a lovely sauce, one of our favourites. We have salmon. We have deep fried prawns. And this is just the starter. Because here at this particular restaurant, you can order as much food as you want and just keep eating, which is wonderful. Let me have a bit of prawn. Sorry, deep fried prawn. Absolutely delicious. Hi. To all the ones that are joining us, got a few in the room, which is good. Yeah.
How are you, mister?
I'm very well, thank you. Bon appetit. Merci. Yeah. It's dinner time. It's nearly Christmas. It's Monday. Here in because we are in Portugal. So here in Portugal, it's about 6:45. 6:45 in the evening, 6:45. In England, it's the same time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sí, sí, obrigado. Thank you in Chinese and in Portuguese. So Portugal has the same time as England. I am from England, but I now live in Portugal.
And why?
It's very nice. I'm just covering my microphone. I don't want you coughing too loud. Maybe saha or hana means enjoy your meal in Arabic, maybe.
Oh, excuse me. Do you speak Arabic?
I speak Urdu.
Oh, some people say, how to say that?
Is saha or hana, is that?
Subhanallah, alhamdulillah.
Oh, God. You made it easy.
Is that enjoy your meal?
Yeah.
In Arabic?
Yeah.
Huh? How to do it?
It's like, in Arabic, they say alambaya.
Alambaya, okay.
Yeah, it's like kind of like...
Oh, interesting.
The waiter in this Chinese restaurant speaks in Arabic, which is wonderful. It's a multicultural, multilingual society, which is lovely.
Do you speak Arabic?
Sadly, no. That's why we had to ask the waiter. Let me have some squid. Very nice.
Not too bad, is it?
Very nice. It's squid and some vegetables, some carrots, some peppers, some onion in a nice sauce.
Thank you. Got a lot of people speaking Arabic here.
Sorry?
And a lot of people here speaking Arabic. Want him to speak Arabic.
On TikTok. What's the difference between find and find out?
Huh?
Find, you go and look for something and you find it. Oh, I've lost my keys. Where are they? Then you go and search around the house and hopefully, fingers crossed, you find your keys. To find out something is like discover information of some kind. So tonight I've found out what Sahar means in Arabic. Yeah. So yeah, find out, discover, find, search for, and then find.
Oh my god.
Let me have some salmon.
Go for it.
Because the last time we came here, I was talking so much, I didn't eat any food. And all the food got cold. So, in Arabic is that what that meant? Is that what the waiter said? Shahayat.
That's what he said. We can't do it.
I think the waiter said that, didn't he?
He said it. I think he said it.
So yeah, really good. I think it means enjoy your meal. So thank you. We will.
Hello from Belgium.
Oh yeah, hi from Belgium. Hello Belgium. And some sushi has arrived. Some like raw salmon and raw tuna, which is nice. And what is this? Lamb?
Lamb.
Is it lamb?
The chewy.
Oh, do you want a taste of lamb?
Not too bad, isn't it? They're like kebab.
In England, we would have lamb with mint sauce. But as we're in a Chinese restaurant, Chinese, Japanese,
Hello from Brazil.
I don't think there's any mint sauce here today. Yeah, hi, Mr. Easy-Peasy from Brazil. Hi, Brazil. Thanks for joining us. Welcome in Arabic. Thank you. Yeah. Maybe tell this word when someone eats. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It means yeah, that's nice. Yeah, blessing the food. That's lovely.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we appreciate the food.
Yeah, and you appreciate what you're eating, don't you? Which is lovely. In lots of countries, say something when you start your meal. So yeah, your expressions that you were saying in Arabic, excuse me. In Germany, they say "Guten Appetit." In Switzerland, and Goethe. In
Japan, they all bow to their...
Oh, maybe bow in Japan. In England, we don't say anything, really. Sometimes we might say bon appetit from the French. We'll say that in England, but usually in England, the food arrives and everybody just dives into the food. There's no real sort of food etiquette in that sense of starting the meal. The food arrives and everybody starts. When your food arrives, you just start. In other countries, you wait for everybody to have their food in front of them, then you wish everyone enjoy your meal, and then everybody starts to eat.
Hello from Poland.
Hi, Poland.
Yeah. Thanks for
You
your
just keep
lessons.
eating.
Yeah, you're eating. And then really need them and the help.
The squid is nice and hot.
Yeah. South Spain.
South of Spain.
Yeah, lovely. Greeting from Brazil.
Hi, Brazil. Georgia, yeah. Vigo in Spain, yeah. Okay, from Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. Maybe you better stop life and better enjoy your meal. That was a plan.
Greetings from Germany. I know, that's always happens. I love seeing the messages, and so then I just start talking, and then the food gets cold. Crazy. Oh, mushrooms. I love the mushrooms.
No, you love the sauce.
Actually, I love the sauce on the mushrooms. In fact, the sauce is so nice. I like to pour a little bit on the top. It's quite a sugary, sweet. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Mauritius. Oh, Mauritius. That's. Oh no, I'm thinking of Madagascar. You like to move it. Oh, no, that's Madagascar. Where's Mauritius? Mauritius is an island off the coast of. My English is fantastic. My geography is rubbish. Oh, Georgia was saying.
What language do they speak in Georgia?
Mostly Russian, I think, isn't it? But maybe you have your own language as well. I think in schools maybe you're taught Russian when you start school. Taught in Russian. I'm not sure. Or maybe that was just in the past.
1, 4, 3.
I had a good time.
Yeah.
What's that? Number 143 on the menu or what? I don't know.
Let's point at 1, 4, 3 next.
Okay.
They haven't got 1, 4, 3, I don't think.
Let me see what number 143 is on the menu. No, not as many as 143. No. Only goes up to 111. Funny.
Hello from Greece.
Well, from where? From Greece? Hello, good evening. That's the thing, isn't it? When you watch somebody else eating, you think, oh, well, I must have some food.
The purpose of those eating shows, isn't it?
Yeah, very popular in China, Korea, Japan.
All over the world.
All those eating shows where you watch. Maybe I haven't seen so many on TikTok, not on international TikTok, Chinese TikTok and YouTube all the time, where someone just sits in front of a camera and eats enormous amounts of food, and they don't usually talk. And you think, how can they eat so much food? I don't know.
Oh, great appetite.
I guess. Look, I've dripped some juice on the table. Messy boy, cover it up.
Madagascar.
Oh, near Madagascar.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
Near South Africa.
Wow.
Hello from Netherlands.
Hi, Netherlands. You helped me a lot with the English language.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah, sorry to hear you locked down again.
Yeah. Sorry to hear you're locked down. Everywhere is getting locked down again.
But better safe here.
Well, that's it. Better safe than sorry. It's a common expression. England, there are more restrictions, slowly but surely. Here in Portugal, it's getting harder and harder. There are now checks when you go to restaurants and bars. You have to show your digital passport. So, yeah, you just have to be careful, don't we? When we before we came here this evening, and when we came in, we had our mask on when we walk along the street, just to be safe. Seaweed.
Oh yeah, I haven't tried that. Leave that soup.
Shall I move those empty dishes away? And move those dishes closer. Oh no, you can't see them in the camera. Never mind.
There you are, seaweed.
Oh, seaweed.
Thank you very much. We got a lot of people from Saudi and Kyrgyzstan. Yeah. And then they all try to ask Geoff to speak Arab. And Geoff said, well, I can't do it.
Funny. Did we show you the seaweed? Real seaweed. I think the chef went down to the beach this morning and picked some up. Maybe not really. We were talking earlier about sort of saying a greeting before you start your meal, but in England usually we don't say anything. Just the food arrives, then you start eating. And usually in England, all the food is prepared in the kitchen and everything is put on each person's plate. So typically potatoes, vegetables, meat, it's all put on the plate and then the full plate is given to each person at the table. Whereas lots of other countries, the food is there in the middle of the table and you take what you want. So it's a big surprise for students that go to England and stay with a host family. So, they go to England to learn English and they stay with a host family. And so it's really strange when they eat for the first time the evening meal and suddenly the food is there on the plate. Can you eat all that food? Should you leave any on your plate? Do you say, enjoy your meal? Very difficult for students the first visit to England, especially in a family. Nice. Really enjoying the squid tonight.
Maybe in Germany get another lockdown after Christmas. That's what we're expecting for England.
I think in England they're just waiting to get Christmas over and then another lockdown. And maybe Germany, I guess the same. Please don't talk together at the one time.
Did we talk together?
I don't think so.
I don't think so. Maybe it's been noise from
Also there's some background noise. We'll try not to.
In Georgia, they speak their Russian as a third language or Georgian.
Okay. I speak their language in Georgia.
Cancel my holidays in Lisbon due to COVID. Oh, that's a shame. But for the EasyJet, I can't remember which company cancelled flight from Glasgow to Faro until the 22nd of January.
I think that was EasyJet, one of the English airlines cancelled flights, all of them, from Glasgow in Scotland to Faro in Portugal. And they cancelled everything. There were some reports on the news in England that some families, because France has also stopped visitors from England to go to France for holidays or whatever at the moment. So a family who had booked up to go to Disney World in Paris, and they had to cancel. So it's really difficult at the moment, really difficult. Do you like my use of chopsticks, by the way? Not bad, eh?
Enjoy your meal and have a great Christmas time.
Thank
Stay
you.
Healthy.
You too.
Was that right?
Was that right? Yes, it was. Yeah. Enjoy your meal. Have a great Christmas time, or just have a great Christmas. Have a great Christmas time. Yeah. Stay healthy. Perfect. Lovely sentence. Well done.
They already have a lockdown in Holland, in Netherlands.
Yeah.
Shame.
It is.
Last thing we want to do end of the year, isn't it?
That's right.
What time in Netherlands? Is it same time in
1 hour.
England? Is it an hour?
No,
ahead?
1 hour ahead. Yeah. So here it's just gone 7 o'clock in the evening in Portugal and England. So Netherlands, 8 o'clock.
Not too bad then.
Cheers again.
Yeah, we might not talk too much today. Huh?
No. It looks like red wine, but it isn't. It's Coke Zero. Why? Because I'm driving. Must be careful. Driving. That's a gerund. Yesterday on Sunday we did the live grammar lesson. We were talking about gerunds and infinitives. Yeah, drinking and driving is dangerous. Two gerunds, drinking and driving.
Is it cold in Netherlands?
What's the weather like in Netherlands now? Here today in Portugal it was about 16 degrees. Not very nice weather. Bit of rain this afternoon. Quite windy still. But still the temperature is not too bad, not too cold. About 15, 13, 14, 15. More pickled. What is it?
Ginger.
Oh yeah, ginger. More pickled ginger. Makes me cough. More seaweed.
Have a good day. Wish you a happy Christmas.
To you too. Enjoy the holiday. Yeah, merry and warm Christmas.
Yay.
We needed the fire on today, indoors. It was a little bit chilly this morning. And so we put the fire on to warm everything up. I'm really enjoying the squid. Hi from a few people. Jory, hi, hello from Spain. Merry Christmas to you too. May I ask you? Yes, you may. What?
I order something else. What would you like next?
I'm not sure.
Here's the
We're just going to check the menu and see what other things we can order because we've kind of finished the squid and the salmon. Still got the sushi because that's quite nice. That's cold, so it's quite nice to eat it as and when.
What else would you like?
The seaweed is cold, a cold dish.
Do you want sweet sour or do you want duck? Do you want
Oh, maybe the duck and the orange.
fancy orange duck? We got to eat it quickly. Last time was really cold.
Oh, that's true.
We heated.
Yeah, I was talking too much.
Yes, you did.
And the duck got cold. So when it arrives, it has to, you have to eat it quickly. There's quite a lot of that, though, isn't there?
Still quite a bit.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Do you want some sizzling prawns? Like that?
Could do sizzling prawns, couldn't we?
Fancy that?
Sizzling garlic prawns. Sounds wonderful.
Rice?
Add some rice, yeah, good idea.
Fried rice?
Because here you can I just show?
Of course.
You get a little notepad and then you write the number from the menu on the notepad and then they go away and cook it fresh. So there's nothing swimming around in hot water like in some buffet restaurants. It's all cooked fresh. Can I ask you, how old are you? I'm very old. I think when I last checked, I was 110. So quite old.
Do you want chicken black bean sauce as well? Or
No.
chicken? Otherwise the rice is quite dry.
Yeah, true. I'll just have the prawns with the rice. I don't think I've got enough room in my tummy
Chicken
for
black bean
prawns
sauce.
or chicken and black bean sauce.
I got one.
Okay.
Do it together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chicken and black bean sauce. Lovely.
Or do you want pak choy?
Not for me. Are you drinking? Let me just scroll back a bit. I've missed some messages. Let me go back down. Do that way. I always see your videos are really useful. Yeah, good. I'm glad. There are much longer videos on YouTube than TikTok. And in the next few days, in the next week or so, I will upload this video to YouTube. So you get a chance to have a look.
Oh, too busy.
You can watch it again.
Have you got children? Yeah. No, not yet. How long have you got? Yeah, 2. 2 years. Yeah, 3 years. I got it. Oh, sorry. That's all right. Waste it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for all the likes, by the way. And thank you for the video. I'm glad you like the videos. If you follow, click on the follow button, then you'll get a little notification, won't you, at the top of your screen saying, Uncle Geoff English is live. So you can do that. Are you drinking kombucha with your meal? No. It looks like a wine, it looks like something alcoholic, but it isn't. It's Coke Zero. 0 calories, less fattening, refreshing, and good because I'm driving. We drove here, I drive back home. And not a good idea to drink and drive. Bit more squid.
You like the squid today?
I do.
I was surprised.
Sometimes it can be quite rubbery. But today it's nice. It's lovely today.
香港还得说哎
No, true. And in a nice sauce.
I always see a video really good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi from Iraq. Yeah, hi Iraq. Thank you for being there. Do I know about a different test? See, you say maybe IELTS or something? I'm not sure. IELTS test, I know. The Cambridge exams, first certificate, advanced proficiency, I know. I know those.
You all look like from Korea.
They're from Korea. No, a few from China. And yes, the Cambridge exams are more. Cambridge is, splashed some sauce on her shirt. Yeah, the Cambridge exams are more conversational and general use English. IELTS, TOEFL and some of the others are quite exam-based. And personally, I don't like them. The IELTS exam, I'm not a big fan.
I did it
Yeah, you did it. Yeah, Mrs. Uncle Geoff did IELTS.
several times. In England.
In England, yeah, because she needed it to go to university to become a doctor. So she did IELTS and yeah, passed that exam, passed the master's degree at university. So she is a doctor.
Technique for
Yeah, IELTS is more learning
how to pass the exam.
how to pass the exam rather than have a conversation.
Not pass. Pass is one word. Get a higher score.
Yeah, how to get a higher score. That's true.
It's not pass.
Yeah, no. You just need the score in IELTS, don't you? It doesn't mean you can speak English well. It means you know how to pass an exam. So is that good? Yes and no.
I think we just want you to be able to read, to be able to write.
Yeah.
In the essay.
Yeah, true. Whereas first certificate and proficiency and advanced Cambridge exams are everyday useful, one-to-one working conversational language that you need in business and everything else. But to study, you need IELTS. So it's a good way to make money for the universities in that sense. What are you eating? Chinese food? Oh, thank you.
Didn't order?
Didn't
No,
you?
ordered. I didn't.
You didn't? B11. This one B11, this sweet and sour chicken.
I didn't order sweet sour chicken. Don't worry, they always make mistakes. Sweet sour chicken, not your fault. No, I didn't order that. I ordered that.
No, you're right, B11.
That's okay. I like
It's
that.
okay, I ordered this one.
I have another one. Because I was going to share
I
that.
ordered
Oh, I
this
see.
one, not this one.
What's that?
B, it's 15, I think, we ordered it.
I thought I ordered that, but if it's that, he likes it anyway. So it's okay. No,
No problem.
no.
Let me check it.
No. I have something for myself then. Oh, I don't eat it. I don't eat sweet sour.
A mix-up on the menu, but that's okay.
Your favorite anyway.
Yeah, they delivered my favourite.
Sure.
Sweet and sour chicken balls. The rice should come shortly. So we're eating Chinese food, Japanese mix, mostly Chinese because this is all hot. The sushi is cold, and that's more Japanese, but a bit of both. Enjoy it. Thank you, I shall. What's that on my hand? Bit of salmon, I think. Messy eater. And we'll scroll up the screen, see what's there. Awesome rice, thank you so much. Sí, sí. Thank you, obrigado. And it came from that. They thought you were from Korea because of the way you speak.
Why?
Or maybe all Asian speakers have a similar sound. I'm not sure, but maybe your English is so good.
No, maybe I sounded like a Korean.
Maybe. Oh, thank you so much. Vehicle over for you.
Thank you.
I'll have that one. And some rice. Let me move that over to there. Hola. From Garvin County, Oklahoma, USA. Very good. Hello, Oklahoma.
Where is that? Sounds
Oklahoma.
familiar.
Middle America? Or a bit south, or a bit to the west?
Oh, rice noodle. Beef rice.
Oh, right, let me lift it up. Rice noodles and beef. Very nice. So Mrs. Uncle Geoff likes that. Let me put some rice on my plate. Oh, I could eat it from there, couldn't I?
Yeah, that's all yours.
Eat it from the bowl, okay. Rice. Egg fried rice. And it's quite nice to put the chicken
Are you going
balls.
to have all of it?
Well, I don't know, you said that's all for me.
It's all for you. I'm not having it.
So it's quite nice to put the chicken balls on top of the rice. And then eat that. So I'm going to move some plates around. We need traffic lights. Like so, like so, like so. Chopsticks. Although I might need my spoon for the rice. Do you know how difficult it is to eat rice with chopsticks? You can only ever get a couple. It's impossible. You're always hungry. So I like a spoon. What?
What?
My 81-year-old mum.
For old people.
Yeah, there is they can. Very good. My 81-year-old mum says when old people with dementia die, their leg is cut open and they count the rings.
Oh, like a tree.
Like a tree.
81, great age.
Yeah, 81's good, isn't it?
She got, she says, 非常好see, live to hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. Right?
By the way, can you hear when Mrs. Uncle Geoff speaks? Because I've got the microphone. Is it picking up her voice?
Oh, the rice noodle really tasty today. Really tasty.
Oh, yeah. Rice noodles.
Very tasty today. Flavors them. Really tasty.
That's nice.
Better than some other days, isn't it?
I don't want more pickled stuff. I keep forgetting what it's called. God.
Ginger.
Ginger. Oh, I love it. But it's really strong. Oh, yeah, bon appetit, thank you. Don't confirm their age. Oh, confirm their age, yeah. Yeah, just to confirm that, because they don't remember. Yeah, because they don't remember how old they are.
Oh, 110.
No, I am, but an old person with dementia, it's a joke. Because they don't know how old they are, so they cut their leg open and then count the rings. Ha ha ha. Terrible joke. Hard to understand someone because of the noise. Yeah, there is background noise. It's a restaurant.
Sound, yeah.
And they're preparing dishes at the back. So I'm going to eat some more rather than talk. Are you still in Portugal?
You're from Kurdistan.
Kurdistan, hello. Thank you for the roses. Yeah, still in Portugal. We did go to Gibraltar for a while, but now we are back in Portugal. Is that from all that eating of that food?
Eating the rice.
We hear good. Oh, that's okay.
Eating rice with chopstick.
Like it. Who is this funny person? Hang on. Progressive person from PA, Pennsylvania. Hello, progressive person from Pennsylvania. Yeah, eating rice with chopsticks burns more calories than you actually take in, because you're forever.
Do you need a fork anyway?
No, I might use my spoon in a minute.
Yeah. Really like the rice noodles tonight.
Yeah. Real ginger, yeah.
Where's the ginger? Ginger and wasabi. Where
Oh,
am I?
well.
Ginger and wasabi.
Yeah, ginger and wasabi. I'm a programmer and have a
Wow, 8. Oh my god.
IELTS test score 8.
That's hard work.
Well done, that man.
8. Wow. What subject is he studying?
Yeah, what are you studying? Or what did you study? What are you studying? A programmer. What, computer programming, I guess. Yeah, IELTS 8, very good, excellent.
If he got 8 or he must have an 8.
I think he's got 8. Or
No,
must have.
must have.
Must have. Do you have 8, or are you trying to get it to improve your job prospects?
So the listening is hard. They use all sorts of nationalities to read something, and then you have to find the answer and then scribble down. But it's not only Europe, it's Australian, New Zealand, American, Scotland.
They have lots of different accents, don't they?
Yeah, that is really hard.
I just put my chopsticks in the bowl like that. That's bad, isn't it?
That's all right. Not that way.
Oh, not like that. No.
Sideways.
So if you're in China, don't put your chopsticks in like that and leave them. Put them in like that. Then that's okay. Why not like that?
That's a bad people.
For dead people? Oh, great. Okay, so don't do that if ever you go to China, or if you're sitting with Chinese people. See, you learn something new every day, don't you?
Sorry, it's just my friend.
Who's phoning?
No, my friend.
Doodly 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 doo. I don't know. Somebody else. Yeah, 你好。
你看看，他这是抖音呢，这抖着呢。
Is she watching in America?
对 they're driving.
Oh, they're driving.
On holiday.
Oh, okay.
不是
Some friends that live in
在那个寿司
America
店吃饭呢，
from China.
他这不是正抖着呢吗？你看，给你看。Yeah, hello.
Are they all singing?
Yeah, that's an older daughter. Wow, a younger one. 快给我看看你大姑娘！快给我看你大姑娘！这不要看你大姑娘。That's the older one. She was a little girl.
We're just having a little conversation in Chinese with a lady in America. Is she the little girl,
Yes,
the little
yes,
tiny
yes,
girl
Yes.
that we went to buy a Barbie doll in New York?
Yes, she's in uni now.
Unbelievable. You've grown up so much.
不都说你长大了吗？
Thank you.
都记不得了吧
She was like this tall.
Not that little.
When I last... You speak English, yeah?
Yeah, she's perfect.
Oh, yeah. So the last time I saw you, you were
Four, I think.
4 years old, and you were really tiny, and I'm really tall, and we went to buy a Barbie doll in
New York.
In New York.
You grow up now? No.
There's a photograph somewhere.
Yeah, because it was so big difference, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, we were holding hands in the department store.
Yeah, in the toy
Macy's,
shop.
was it Macy's or something? I don't remember. How funny.
She's beautiful now, isn't she?
Very. We're having a conversation
Huh?
in America.
Sorry?
now. Say again?
How does he know you? How does he know you?
Who?
She does. She.
Well, she doesn't know me.
She doesn't know.
But I knew you when you were 4 years old.
Yeah.
We met when you were 4.
是真的。
And how old are you now?
18. 看谁？
Can't hear.
多大了？现在20了，有吗？
我明天是我18岁生日。
明天18岁了，18 tomorrow。
Happy birthday for tomorrow.
明天18岁，
Wow.
哎呀，这么大了都，哎呀，真好真好，大学上的好不好
Yeah, it's good.
？It's good 有空到个葡萄牙
Some
来找
friends
我
of
玩
ours in
吧，
America
就跟佛罗
from
伦萨一
China
样，也很冷。
working in, where do they live? Houston.
Near New York，
On near New
我
York
们现
now.
在在 Portugal，we are in Portugal。
And they just having my wife is having a quick call with her.
Yay! Yay! But yeah.
And the last time I saw the daughter, she was 4 years old. Now she is 18 or 18 years old tomorrow.
Yeah. And then also we also sometimes go back to England. So you want to come and see us in England as well?
Is she still tiny?
Don't mention it. Don't say that. Yeah, happy birthday for tomorrow. I see you are having a lovely holiday with all the food and the view and the weather is absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you for the roses, everybody.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Greetings from Saudi. Oh, trying to get 8. Okay.
Yeah, well, we went to New York for our wedding anniversary in 2007. And then your mom took you to meet us up in New York. And then we went to a toy store. I don't know where that was. And then you liked the Barbie doll. And then Geoff said, yeah, okay. And then got you one. So I can't remember how it looked.
Has either of you ever had what they call in the US southern states dirty rice?
You and the Geoff together.
Don't know. Don't think so. What is that? I hope it's not something bad.
Hello? Geoff is 2 meters tall. And you were very small. So it was a lovely photo. Yeah, and he had to kind of bend to hold your hands. You were tiny, you were tall. And he's really tall, he's 2 meters tall. So it makes a big difference. Yeah, he stand up, Geoff, see how tall you are.
You can't see on the video, can you? No.
He's doing TikTok live, so he's not. Don't worry.
Wait, you're a TikToker?
Yeah, he's an internet TikTok. Not many followers, but he loves you.
Uncle Geoff English.
Uncle Geoff English, that's what he said. So yes, I leave you for now, and then we will talk again another day. You look beautiful. Happy birthday. Have a lovely day.
Rice with a lot of different seasonings added to it. Yeah, okay, sounds nice.
Nice.
This is just egg fried rice. My wife is so loud.
Second daughter. 因为跟妈妈长得一样的，太俊了。
But she is talking to somebody in America, so it's a long way away.
太俊了，太俊了！哎呦，妹妹啊，我真是羡慕嫉妒恨了，你这姑娘太俊了，太俊了。
Can you go and sit over there, please?
没有，这不行，生孩子玩不了，这来不了，年龄大了。
Prawns, deep fried prawns. Can you see that? Is that in
你还
focus?
是那么漂亮，挺好。我看看他这还刀了。是，没事，可能网络不太好，我先挂了。那个一会儿再说，因为他直播。行。
It's kind of brown or tan with the spices added. Yeah, that sounds good. I like it.
Done.
So that was a quick call to America with some friends in the USA.
That's her 2 daughters.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, the older one, she said, how do I know you? How do I know you? And then she was 4, she couldn't remember.
Prawns are nice.
Oh, I miss you, sir.
We're working our way through the sentences, through the questions. Yeah. I think we're on time with the questions now. Good. It's going rather well. The food is, I'm getting more and more full. Let me have, I'm going to put all of this into my rice. It's the easiest way to do it. Peppers, onions, sweet and sour sauce. I might keep the spoon, just in case for later.
That's a good idea, darling.
So it's quite nice that we have viewers from all around the world. Amazing. Shall I move that to there? Thank you. Perfect.
哎，今天米粉谁炒的呀，帅哥？今天米粉谁炒的？老好吃了。谁炒的？今天米粉老好吃了，比前几次都好吃。
徒弟的水平高了。
你弟炒的？徒弟炒的，真好吃。今天这个，老好吃。
That's not English, by the way.
臭美了，又臭美了。She said, "Just keep waffling."
Keep waffling. I waffle all the time. But also, I have to eat as well.
How are you, Uncle? A bit tired, aren't we? Doing too many live shows at the moment.
Yeah, very busy at the moment. So I also do voiceovers for radio commercials, and I did one the other day. So yeah, quite busy. So yeah, record it, edit it, make it the right size, 20 seconds or whatever, and then send it.
Wow.
So always busy.
Have you had a Hawaiian style of wasabi? Slice of fried spam inside. Oh my god.
Have you had a Hawaiian style of wasabi, slice of fried spam inside a clump of cooked rice?
Oh
Sounds
God.
interesting.
No.
No. But who knows, maybe one day. Hello to the other person that said, likes very much, likes languages, but doesn't know lots of English. That's okay. Listen to it as much English as you can, just to get the sound. You won't understand everything, but if you get some, it's better than nothing.
Tightly wrapped inside a
piece of seaweed. Delicious. I'm sure it's actually quite nice. We haven't tried that. We can ask them to put it on the menu.
Spam is very expensive here though. Portuguese don't have it. Usually from England. Quite pricey on that.
Yeah, spam in Portugal is imported, so the price is quite high. Stupidly high, really.
And she said, her daughter said, "Are you YouTuber?" No. Are you TikToker? Did you hear it?
I did.
She's a total American girl, isn't she? Are you TikToker? Don't mention about her. Hi.
Oh.
Where was the photo?
Funny.
Do you remember?
It's somewhere on our computer. We have a photograph of me with a little girl, or there was a little girl in America. We went to buy a Barbie doll when she was 4 years old, and now I just saw her on the video, and she's 18 tomorrow. So on that quick phone call that my wife had with her mum in the US. So yeah, amazing. I'm going to use my spoon in a minute.
I'm going to get you the fork.
Oh, okay. Also a good idea, use a fork to eat your rice. So much easier. Yeah, Ali says, I speak Arabic, French and Spanish very well, but English very little. I speak English very well, but Spanish, French, Arabic very little.
Do you think maybe it's the microphone rubbing on your shirt?
Don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Fork. Much better for eating rice. Thank you for the greetings. I'm getting full now.
I'm full to that.
And it's getting warm in the restaurant as well now.
And hot.
Not hot, but warming up. From the nice food, I think. Prawns, aren't we?
But again, once we saw the chicken, that would do you.
Somebody else speaks Pidgin English, Hawaiian, some Spanish, and fluent American English.
Wow.
Not so much Scottish.
Nice.
Very good. Very good.
Oh, no.
Yeah, languages are fun. It's good to communicate.
Geoff, I might have to stop you today because you're running out of battery.
Where's the
Didn't charge your telephone.
Oh, yeah, the battery's running low. Okay. We may stop in a few minutes. Thank you for all the likes, by the way. Please follow if you want to find out more about the live lessons and things like that, or when we next post a video lesson. We did one today on but and however. So next one, I think, upload to TikTok maybe Wednesday or Thursday maybe, and then a little break over Christmas to have a holiday. That's the plan. So, we're learning American Sign Language. Wow, cool. That's very good. Excellent. So I think we'll stop now.
Yeah, you run out of battery.
Yeah, the telephone will die soon. So I'll say good night. Thank you. Thank you for joining us for dinner. And I hope you improved your English a little bit of listening. Thank you for the follows. Thank you for the likes, the roses, and everything else. Thank you all for being there. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.